you have to be able to look at your successes and your failures and say, I was responsible. Here's why it happened. What am I going to do to get better? And I would wager, I know you're a big tennis player. I'd wager that you've probably had matches that didn't go your way. The thing you just saw, try it out. Try it with somebody on the team. I'm going to position you with people who are both receptive, and I'd start there. I would give them kind of some softballs. Just like if you're talking about tennis, your first time out on the court, you're not going to want to return balls from Federer or even a machine turned up to 10, right? You're going to want to give them something that they can feel the motion for. You know how the ball's going to react. If you have a sales team that's not bought into the idea of role playing and trying to make the people around them better, or in a competitive environment, like if you do have a competitive sales environment, which happens all the time, if the reps themselves don't want to get better through their role play, then the role play will fall apart. So you need someone on the other side of the table who's going to take it seriously. He's going to say, I will pretend to be maybe an adversarial person you're talking to, but realistic. You understand the physics or the energy of that particular interaction. It's the same thing in a sales call. Give them something easy to return. Then maybe get a little chippy, get a little adversarial, surprise them with things.